feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Gas in the back of the sun, never leave, she's so bad. Can't beat the brag, hit the gas in the back of the sun, never leave, she's so bad. Can't beat the brag, hit the gas in the back of the sun, never leave, she's so bad. Can't beat the brag, hit the gas in the back of the sun, never leave, she's so bad. Can't beat the brag,
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
gas in the back of the
चलो गाइस नमस्ते जी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल द माउंटेन किड। आई होप आप सब बढ़िया होंगे और मैं भी एकदम बढ़िया हूँ। तो यार टाइटन और थंबनेल देख के तो आपने समझ लिया होगा कौन सी गाड़ी है। तो जो ये दिख रही है वो ये है नहीं, एक्चुअली दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट पोलोस जो इंडिया में आई थी और ये सबसे लीनियर इंजन है। तो गाड़ी से पहले मैं आपको मिलाता हूँ श्रेष्ठ भाई से, और आप गाड़ी यहीं देख सकते हैं, ये पूरी डिफरेंट लगती है। तो पहले तो श्रेष्ठ भाई
क्या हाल है भैया?
बढ़िया, आप बताएं।
ऑल गुड ऑल गुड।
थैंक यू सो मच टाइम देने के लिए यार।
थैंक यू यार,
इतनी धूप में आए आप हमारे साथ। तो श्रेष्ठ भाई अपना पहले इंट्रोडक्शन ही दे दो।
ब्रो मेरा नाम श्रेष्ठ है एंड आई एम 25 years old एंड कार एंथुजियास्ट एंड होटेलियर बाय प्रोफेशन। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बस बेसिक इंट्रो यही है आई गेस यार।
सही है। तो मेरे को एक चीज़ बताओ, यू हैव अ पोलो
राइट?
आई जस्ट हैव फर्स्ट, पहले ये क्वेश्चन है कि आप MPI के लिए गए, 1.6 के लिए क्यों गए?
यार मतलब at that point of time it's actually a 2011 bot, so at that point of time competition market में मेरे हिसाब से पुंटो थी उस टाइम पे and we had this in option। तो moreover एक थोड़ा जो यंग किड वाला पंच होता है ना यार, वो पोलो में आया। वो पुंटो में मुझे एक्चुअली ना देख के वो लुक्स वाली आई नहीं। तो that was the main reason we went for Polo 1.6 MPI and engine wise you know it very well कि भाई ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस उस टाइम पे आई डोंट थिंक सो कि कोई भी गाड़ी दे रही थी। अ 1.6 लीटर इंजन इन अ हैचबैक वाज वेरी रेयर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। तो दैट वाज द मेन गो टू कि भाई हाँ ये ही लेनी चाहिए इसके अलावा। एंड frankly speaking this was my first car what my parents got me, but I haven't bought it but still, so I always wanted a Polo। so वो वाली फील थी यार कि लेनी यही है and red was the only color that could have been the color I guess। so it all started from 2011 and I guess we are here at 24 yeah
It's been 13 years
13 years man, yeah man।
and it still runs better than all these cars
any हाँ man very मतलब आज की अगर आप मैं कहूँ कि कोई भी अच्छी हैचबैक तो आई डोंट थिंक तो कोई भी कंपैरिजन में है ही नहीं।
इन इंडिया तो नहीं
है कोई भी इन द मार्केट राइट नाउ। तो वही था यार कि एक ऐसी कार हो जो मतलब, क्योंकि कार एंथुसियास्ट हम लोग को वो नहीं है कि यार शॉर्ट टर्म वाला है, लॉन्ग टर्म इट्स अ फीलिंग, इट्स अ इमोशन कि हमारा कार इज लाइक।
I have a question. At that time, there is one more option that came a 1.8 GT TSI. That was one of the rarest, I guess. There are only 50 pieces all over India.
Not really 50, it is around 200
now.
हाँ
okay.
But what actually was the thing is कि यार वो थी around 22 की ऑन रोड उस टाइम पे। ये हमें पड़ी थी 9.5-10 की शायद आई गेस। तो दैट मनी वाज द मेन थिंग, क्योंकि आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली जैसे अपनी नॉर्मल है। तो माई पेरेंट्स वर नॉट रियली रेडी to buy a car that has only 2 doors, which is not functional for a family।
Definitely।
so that's the reason। but obviously bro मतलब if I get to switch today तो I'll definitely go for that। कि एक बारी के लिए तो यार 1.8 is something crazy।
That is the beast।
yeah man।
तो शेर भाई we were coming to the car. So let's talk about what all have you done, and you've made a really beauty of this Polo, and it's somewhat similar to what people do in Germany and not really in India. It is very rare.
या मैन तो अभी तो बेसिक मॉड्स ही करे, कॉस्मेटिक फीचर्स पे ज़्यादा अभी एम्पथाइज किया है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम इंजन मॉडिफिकेशन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऑल दोज आर येट टू बी डन. आई वाज कीन कि पहले हम लोग सारी ब्यूटिफिकेशन कर ले, गाड़ी सुंदर बना ले, क्योंकि इंजन वैसी ही पावरफुल है. तो आई हैड नो इश्यूज विद दैट कि यार कुछ मिस आउट कर रहा हूँ मैं.
True.
So now coming to the car, basically first what you can see is कि I've got the car wrapped in satin red. So this is one of the things which I am very proud of कि यार ये एक कलर एक्चुअली ना रेड था, बट वो पता क्या थी, वो ना कॉमन बहुत थी.
Yeah.
So I just wanted थोड़ा सा एक वो हो एंड लीगल भी रहे, तो we opted for this. And my friend Aman suggested कि यार I was more into a little dull red. I wanted it like a little bit in
More of matte.
matte, मतलब और ज़्यादा. जैसे ये तो satin है ना, वो मेरे को जो पसंद था वो था बिल्कुल blood red.
Blood red.
Yeah, and that too in matte. तो अमन suggested कि यार blood red फिर भी इतनी वो नहीं लगेगी, but this color when we came out with the final product we were very happy. Apart from this, I got 17-inch is alloy installed. Got them into golden satin gold.
And these tires are upgraded, right?
Yeah, tires are upgraded and these are triangle tires, मतलब वही Chinese. But यार क्या करें, अब पता है कितने सेट खराब कितने होते हैं.
ये तो है.
तो बार बार जब फिर शूट वूट करते हैं तो फिर ड्रिफ्टे वुफ्टे ये वो पीछे बहुत ख़राब हुए हैं टायर. तो मैंने कहा कि चाइनीज़ इज़ बेटर, कि दुख तो नहीं होता, एटलीस्ट ख़राब हो गए उसके बाद. तो वो है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई गॉट दीज Lamborghini style headlights. This has a red जो DRL है इनके अंदर. तो जो आपने नॉर्मली देखी होगी दैट इज़ मोस्टली वाइट DRLs वाली. एंड दिस वाज एट दैट टाइम, क्योंकि इट्स बिन 4 years नाउ. अब तो बहुत फिर भी सारी चीज़ें करोल बाग या इंस्टाग्राम पे इतने पेजेस आ गए, तो यू कैन ईजिली गेट इट. बट 4-5 years बैक इन दिस टाइम इट वाज नॉट वेरी ईजी. आई गॉट दीज इम्पोर्टेड फ्रॉम ताइवान. अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन वर्कड ओवर देयर, सो ही गॉट दीज फॉर मी. तो उसने जब मेरे को ना वहाँ से फ़ोटो भेजी थी ना कि वाइट है, एंड आई वॉज एक्चुअली आई वॉज वॉन्टिंग ओनली कि वाइट ही चाहिए. तो एट दैट टाइम रेड ना नया आया था. तो ही कॉल्ड अप एंड सेड कि ब्रो एक ना रेड वाली है, I'll send you the pictures. And I was like कि भाई रेड गाड़ी पे रेड लाइटें कहाँ अच्छी लगेगी यार. बट कहीं ना कहीं एक दिन वी थॉट कि यार हाँ, रेड पे रेड विल बी a little unique and something new.
Definitely.
So then we got these imported from there. Apart from that, I got this GTI honeychrome grill. This is not the मतलब वो obviously this is aftermarket kit.
Yeah.
And we changed the front bumper to Type 2. I got installed this WRC universal splitter on the sides too.
And you have changed your fog lamps as well.
Yeah, I upgraded these to Maxling projectors. We got this interior full painted in red to accompany this. And this has high and low feature. Got these 200 watt LEDs in this also. So it is like crazy in the night. पूरा मतलब स्टेडियम वाली फील आएगी अगर आप आगे से आ रहे हो, तो यू आर लाइक गोइंग टू बी ब्लाइंड. तो मोस्टली क्योंकि फॉग लैम्प मैंने इसलिए अच्छे अपग्रेड कराए, तो इट वाज लाइक कि रेड लाइट्स हमारी ऊपर वाली ऑन रहती है एंड आवर फॉग लैम्प्स डू द एंटायर वर्क ऑफ अ हेडलाइट. सो आई डोंट रियली यूज माय हेडलाइट्स. इट इज़ जस्ट कि हाँ जब डिपर मारना है तब के लिए है, बट ऑल अदर टाइम्स माय फॉग लैम्प्स आर फार इनफ टू बी.
Alright. So you've changed the logo as well?
Yeah, I got this de-chromed. This is actually wrapped. So I had this in the back also, but वो एक बच्चों ने पता नहीं क्या फाड़ दिया या, तो I had to get it removed. Back in the back, we have got these Mercedes styled rear headlight, rear tail lights.
But I have seen most of the people going for the Audi Q2 ones.
Yeah, same question. मतलब same answer, क्योंकि ये अब Q2 और ये वाली लाइटें कॉमन हुई हैं. एट दैट टाइम
That
4
time.
साल पहले दीज वर नॉट वेरी इजीली
Available,
अवेलेबल.
yeah.
तो उस टाइम पे दिस वाज द फर्स्ट डिज़ाइन जो मार्केट में आया था जो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट हुआ था. एंड आई ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ लाइक इट कि यार ये वाला. एंड Q2 समवॉट आई फील कि वो थोड़ा ना उसमें लाइट कम है.
Indeed.
या
That is more smoked ones.
या
And the ones which are clear, they look
वेरी अगली.
weird.
या हाँ. सो दैट वाज द थिंग. इसमें हमने एक लेवल टेंट किया हुआ ऐसे. पहले ये मतलब प्योर रेड थी पर उसको एक लेवल टेंट करा है थोड़ा. नीचे वी हैव गॉट दीज आफ्टर मार्केट
Red reflectors.
रिफ्लेक्टर्स. या
So you've installed this
splitter also, yeah.
Splitter as well.
So earlier I actually had this all these WRC splitters in carbon fiber. But last year when the rain came in, there were flood and all. तो
Yeah.
उस टाइम पे हमने पानी में से जब गाड़ी निकाली तो they got broken or they got dropped down.
Okay.
तो then we installed these. तो इसके साथ का अभी पीछे वाला मंगाना था पर छोड़ दिया. You know it.
Yeah. You can't just buy one.
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
You have
yeah.
to buy all of the kit then.
Yeah.
And also, I just wanted to ask, how much did the wrap cost you around?
Bro, that's but I can give you a rough estimate.
I mean,
It
without
was-
discount.
Let's
leave the discount
It
aside.
costed me around 30-40K.
30-40K.
Yeah, but
And-
that was a discounted price and my friend and all whatever. So we got that done. The paint job was done by SteerX and the wrap was done by SteerX. A good thumbs ups to them कि इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया यार. And apart from that, I've got this spoiler added. This was a GT spoiler at that time. 2014-15 में ये था जो GT spoiler था. अब थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया, वो थोड़ा सा लिफ्टेड है यहाँ से. And we got the roof wrapped in piano black.
Piano black.
Yeah. Same with the side over.
Side.
Yeah.
ORVMs as well. So Sheesh bhai, what have you done from the inside?
Inside bro अभी सिर्फ म्यूजिक अपग्रेडेड है. वी हैव गॉट पाइनियर मेन स्क्रीन. Apart from that, I've got 2 oval speakers in the rear on the tray. Apart from that, 4 speakers, 4 actually components of Explode, and that's all at the moment. 2 tweeters from Sony.
So I've seen you have done some graphics from inside. Can we show them?
Graphics.
On
Yeah.
the
Please come in,
instrument
please come
cluster.
in.
So, I was talking about these. So these come from Germany. Basically, people might have seen this in the Abarth.
Yeah.
That was from there. And I guess you play golf as well.
This is more over a security.
The human golf.
Yeah. So it says here, stay focused at all times.
So you should focus on the
Yeah,
right.
make it happen.
And you say painted the logo as well.
Yeah. This is also in German. So a lot of people were like, "Ki, bro, are you supporting LGBTQ?" And
I mean, from where does this look?
yeah. I was also surprised ki what are they talking about. Like for quite some time I was unable to understand कि question आ कहाँ से रहा है. And then one guy asked me कि ये क्या है इसका मतलब. मैंने कहा bro, German flag. This is a German car. And then we have our Joko over here who takes care of the car. He has a bat with him.
So this is the Pioneer screen, the
Yeah.
old one.
Yeah. This
Anna?
it is around 8-9 years old, definitely. And we have components installed over here.
And so let's just play some NCS music so people can get to know.
Sure. You tell me what would you like to hear. Some beats would be nice.
Crisscross, manera bitch ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ get God
So Pete actually had a AVL woofer which was big in size, but due to space issues, I had to get down to a Sony 1800 watt subwoofer. So it's still good, not very crazy, but yeah, we can say it is sufficient for the task.
Can you open the hood?
Lot of stuff is there.
Is it working? What?
Okay, wow.
This is way more than enough for a hatchback. I mean, you cannot hear anything that is coming from outside. All you hear is beats.
Yeah, man.
So I just had one question. As Polo, we don't have backseat space. So how do you deal with that?
Yeah, so basically the day my dad finally bought this car, and after a week driving this car, he was like, let's sell it out. It doesn't have any space, and till date it is a very big fight between me and my dad कि यार ये गाड़ी कोई काम की नहीं है क्योंकि यार 1.6 लीटर का इंजन है तो एवरेज यू नो कि नहीं देगी, एंड आई अपग्रेडेड द अलॉयज ऑल्सो, तो उससे भी थोड़ी बहुत कट डाउन हो गई है. तो ही इज़ लाइक कि यार ना एवरेज देती है ना जगह है गाड़ी में, तो लेट्स सेल इट आउट. बट हाँ, ऑब्वियसली यार ये एक बड़ा ड्रॉबैक है. व्हाट आई हैव एक्चुअली प्लान्ड इज कि we are waiting for another car. We'll be getting another car in this year most probably. So what we are planning is कि I'll get these doors sealed.
Okay.
So we'll make this a two door. Yeah. So that's the plan. It's been in talking with Speedy also. So he has recently done a Punto also. So we have deleted the rear doors of that car and converted it into a rally spec. So that's the main goal. Till then, this is what it is.
So like, are you gonna remove the seats and put a roll cage, or have the seats?
I'll keep the seats because I am not very keen for like proper hardcore rally specs car, but I would like a basic which we can drive in cities also. I'll get a stage 2 remap is what I'm planning.
Okay.
And a straight pipe exhaust.
So are you gonna get pops and bangs as well?
A lot of people have suggested कि pops and bangs is a death row, so it will actually kill the engine.
I mean, yeah, on the longer run, if you keep doing that, revving in again to hear the pops, it just the engine. And first of all, your pistons and spark plugs just
definitely. So I wouldn't go for pops and bangs, but yeah, if I get the straight pipe done, it'll definitely not give bangs, but it'll fart.
Yeah, it'll give farts.
Yeah, somewhat like that. So it'll be, I guess, sufficient till till the time we are here. It things like that. I think that'll be it. But let's see.
So before we end, I just want to have your opinion on people that are being wannabes car guys these days, and what we actually have car guys from the old days that we have mindsets. No, there are two different mindsets in this era these days. So what do you have to say about that?
It is a very controversial topic for sure, क्योंकि कार गाइस से यार आप किसी भी चीज़ में देखो, जिसको भी गाड़ी पसंद है, he's a car guy. ठीक है, we cannot classify them into a category की यार. But हाँ, obviously जो मतलब पहले in the time, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे यार इतनी knowledge नहीं थी. तो you had to read, you had to see videos and all to know कि यार what is in the car. आज की डेट में everything is on Instagram easily. आपको दो चीज़ें भी पता लग गई and you are like कि यार हाँ मुझे सारा कुछ पता है. तो there are guys जिनको अभी तक horse power नहीं पता कि what is horse power. ठीक है ना. I met a guy, he was like कि I am into cars and all ये वो, and I had some basic question and he was like कि bro ये क्या है. It was like I don't remember but something like that. तो हाँ it happens कि हाँ obviously एक age gap के बाद I guess कि अब लोगों को it is कि भाई हमारे पास पैसा है तो we can get the car done. ठीक है ना. कार modify करना is not actually a car guy thing. It is कि भाई आपको everything you should know about your car. कि अगर आपकी गाड़ी में कोई भी दिक्कत आ रही है तो you should know कि कहाँ से वो ठीक होगी.
Exactly.
हाँ, you are a mechanic with it.
Exactly.
So a true car guy is a mechanic in himself. I feel that is what is missing in today's generation.
Exactly, you got the point. Absolutely.
Yeah. मतलब जो भी होता है ना, जैसे लाइटें लूटे तो हम अपने आप ही उतार के फिट करिए हैं. जो नहीं रहा है, जब एम्बियंट लाइटिंग लगाई, ये सब चीज़ें हमने खुद ही कर ली. तो कभी एम्प हिल जाता है या कुछ होता है क्योंकि you know, ठीक है ना. दिस इज़ वेरी ट्रू कि हर कार गाय के साथ ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है कि कभी कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि ये भी यार एक प्रोजेक्ट ही है. तो एवरी डे यू हैव अ न्यू थिंग टू न्यू चैलेंज टू बी टेकन केयर. कभी आपके कुछ नहीं चल रहा है, कभी कुछ नहीं चल रहा है. तो यू शुड नो कि बेसिक चीज़ें तो आपको खुद करनी आनी चाहिए. एंड आई फील कि दैट इज़ व्हाट मेक्स यू अ कार enthusiast or a car guy.
Exactly, and that's why he's written it. Make it happen.
Make it happen, yeah.
That comes
yeah.
So
and over here it says Atmanirbhar.
definitely. That is Atmanirbhar because if you know your car, then you are too enthusiastic.
You have to be Atmanirbhar.
You need to listen to your car.
Yeah.
So Shahid bhai, it was a pleasure.
Same here, man. Same here. See you soon, man.
See you soon, man.
Thank you.
And thank you for the time. And rest, if you want to know about the car, this is a 1.6 MPI. MPI is basically multi-port injection, and this has almost 135 to 140 Newton meter of torque and 103 horsepower, I guess.
Yeah.
So that's it, and do check out his account. I will mention it here, and he owns two great what's it called?
BYOBs.
BYOBs as well. I am sorry, I forgot that name. So I will mention that here as well, and it was a pleasure meeting him.
Same here, man. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for getting a car featured in such a heat. And yeah, guys, just show him some love and us also, and like the video and share it as much as you can. And we'll see you in the next one.